to the Regional Training Center, Calabarzon. I am Mr. Domingo Librea, the Training Center Administrator. TESDA Regional Training Center, Calabarzon is rich in history of providing market-driven technical job skills and training since 1978. This long-standing commitment earned us the distinction of being named as finalists in the Best Training Institution, Regional and Specialized Training Center category at the 2021 TESDA Organizational Excellence Awards, and Best Training Institution, the same category, at the 2022 TESDA Organizational Excellence Award. These distinctions demonstrate the Center's high standards in curriculum development and training methodology and overall institutional management. It also empowers graduates by ensuring they receive the best possible education available.
As a polytechnic training center that strives for excellence to produce competent and employment-ready graduates, the key performance indicators were based on its goals and objectives. In light of the finite resources of TESDA Regional Training Center, Calabarzon, it fosters an entrepreneurial culture and focuses on self-sufficiency. Collaborating with stakeholders and fully implementing the quality management system is important for the center to achieve its objectives of adding more star-rated programs and becoming APAC ISO accredited in the next years. RTC Calabarzon offers a comprehensive portfolio of 37 technical education programs encompassing its demand sectors like automotive, electronics, construction, and engineering. These programs are meticulously designed to align with current and future labor market needs, ensuring graduates possess the necessary skills for immediate employability and economic contribution. Solidifying this practical approach are 25 accredited assessment centers. These centers validate graduate skills against national standards, enhancing their credibility and employability in both domestic and international job markets. The center prepares graduates for a successful transition into the workforce or self-employment by providing specific services such as career guidance, job placement assistance, and entrepreneurship training. In summary, RTC Calabarzon acts as a beacon, empowering individuals while supporting regional economic growth.
Magandang araw, ako po si Reniel B. Habilio, TSD Specialist 2 dito po sa Regional Training Center, Calabarzon. So for our goals sa IPAS NC2, ang target namin is to produce 25 competent industrial electronic technicians na ma-hire sa company annually. For the objectives, need namin mag-conduct ng regular competency-based curriculum consultations with our industry partners yearly to verify or to check yung aming mga curriculum. And to provide full equipment, training facilities and equipment sa ating mga estudyante here in RTC Calabarzon. To achieve a certification rate higher than 95% of national target, establish 2 industrial collaboration and partnership every year, and attain 80% employment rate of our graduates. For maintaining our facilities, tools, and equipment, for our facilities, housekeeping schedule is provided to the learners. While for tools and equipment, we have equipment maintenance plan to monitor the status and the conditions of each equipment and to identify which one is still serviceable and not serviceable. To make sure the quality of the training, we make sure that at least 1:1 issuance of equipment is being provided sa ating mga estudyante. So, kailangan nating ma-maintain.
ang mga trainees po ay kailangan po na mag-undergo po sa mga pre-assessment para po malaman po yung mga prior knowledge po or yung mga prior learning po ng mga trainees. And yung mga trainer po naman ay nagse-set up po sila ng CBT workshops na may iba't iba pong working stations and different components din po. Sa experience ko naman po dito sa TESDA ay masasabi ko po na okay naman po yung experience ko dito. Talagang natulungan po ako nito para po mas ma-improve ko po yung working skills ko po in the future dahil nga po sa mga activities na ginagawa dito. Tinutulungan po kami na maging mas competitive po sa mga industry na pagtatrabahuhan po namin.
Magandang araw! Ako si Michael D. Hiwatig, nagtuturo ng Organic Agriculture Production NC2 dito sa Regional Training Center, Calabarzon. Ang goals and objective ng Organic Agriculture Production NC2 ay una, magkaroon ng 75 competent organic agriculture farmer here in Calabarzon annually. So para ma-achieve namin ang goals na to, kailangan namin ng mga objectives. Isa nga sa naging objectives ng aming program ay mag-conduct ng regular competency-based curriculum industry consultation annually. Bukod dito, kailangan din namin mag-provide at magbigay ng fully equipped training facilities at quality technical education skills para sa aming mga trainees during their training. Isa pa dyan ay kailangan din namin mag-establish ng 2 industry partners annually, makapagbigay ng assessment certification rate na 95% na mas mataas sa national standard, at magkaroon ng employment rate na 80% employment rate para sa aming mga graduates. So sa amin, as part of Organic Agriculture Production NC2 Goals and Objective, nagkakaroon kami ng tinatawag ng Curriculum Review and Enhancement. So dito, para ma-update namin ang aming curriculum, nag-i-invite kami ng expert from agriculture sector para magbigay ng input kung paano ba namin i-update ang aming training program. So dito, nagkakaroon kami ng iba't ibang discussion kung alin ba ang dapat i-improve sa aming CBC para maging up-to-date ang aming training at maging employable lalo ang aming mga graduates.
Ako po si Jeffrey O. Maputi, estudyante ng Organic Agriculture Production NC2 ng TESDA Regional Training Center, Calabarzon. Kami po ay nag-undergo ng institutional assessment bago po matapos ang aming training. Kami po ay sumasayalan sa tatlong proseso: written, actual at saka interview po. Yung pong natutunan namin, ina-apply po namin sa aming pang-araw-araw na gawain, lalo na sa garden, saka sa paghahalaman. Mas madali naming ma-apply kasi nag-training kami sa tulong ng TESDA.
So, good day everyone. Welcome to Regional Training Center, Region 4A Calabarzon ni TESDA. So, ako nga po pala si Mr. Jason C. Mendoza. So, sa qualification po namin ng ISMAW, ay ang goals at objective namin, yung goals namin, so target namin makapag-produce ng 75 industry quality welder annually. So sa objectives namin, makikipag-consult kami sa mga industry partner namin kung ano yung dapat namin ma-provide na quality na hinahanap ng company. Then gusto namin ma-achieve yung higher than 80% ng national na certification rate. Sa conduct CBT process flow namin, first day, nagkakandak ako ng pre-assessment para malaman kung may prior learning na ba ang estudyante ko. Kung sila ba meron ng alam sa welding or wala. So, nagkakandak kami ng pre-test. Then, after that, nagle-lecture ako ng basic, common, and core competencies sa contextual learning area. After nun, na madiscuss ko sa kanilang lahat ng unit of competency, nagagawa na ako ng demonstration of skills dito sa practical workshop area. Then, bago matapos ang training, binibigyan ko sila ng institutional assessment at dito rin sa institutional assessment area dito sa workshop ko ginagawa yung institutional assessment. So, yung na-add na competency sa aming qualification, nandiyan yung performing welding fabrication. So, dito sa performing welding fabrication, natuturuan namin sila knowledge, skills, and attitude. So, yun yung in-add namin na competency, which is performing welding fabrication.
Ako po si Shax Michael R. Manguera at ako po ay nag-training ng Shielded Metal Arc Welding NC1 sa TESDA RTC Calabarzon. So, namomonitor po ng trainer namin yung progress namin as trainees through achievement chart, progress chart. So, malaki po na itulong sa akin ng TESDA kasi po after po ng training namin and tapos ko po yung iba pang mga trainings na kailangan, naging trainer and assessor na po ako.
We are proud that our commitment to excellence has been recognized for 3 consecutive years. This achievement reflects our unwavering dedication to quality, innovation, and continuous improvement. We remain focused on delivering exceptional value to our customers and partners, and we look forward to even greater success ahead and determined to achieve again the prestigious STAR recognition this year.